Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix phone with double tap to activate means talkback problem, how to solve. Friends, you have talkback problem and friends you are not operating your phone, so how to fix talkback, and friends your phone screen is locked, so how to unlock phone when talkback problem we have. So friends, first of all you can unlock your phone with two finger swipe here and you can unlock your phone. So like that friends, you can unlock your phone with two finger. And friends, you have talkback problem, so how to fix talkback, let's see. First of all, open your phone setting. So where is phone setting icon, one tap your phone setting, and friends you want to on setting, so you cannot on setting, double tap here, then friends you can turn on your phone setting. And friends, scroll with two finger, because if you use one finger friends you cannot scroll it. So friends, use your two finger and friends you can scroll easily without any problem. Friends, click here special function, one tap, friends double tap, and friends click here game mode setting. Use your two fingers, scroll it, one tap here friends, double tap on accessibility, because friends if you one tap you cannot turn on your accessibility setting and you cannot solve talkback problem. So when double tap here, friends talkback setting, one tap, double tap here, use talkback setting, one tap and double tap here, friends stop button, one tap, double tap, talkback problem solved. Friends, now you can use your phone without any talkback problem. You can unlock your phone friends with one finger. Friends, you can check, we can swipe, we can unlock phone. And again friends, you want to use, and friends you want to on talkback shortcut setting, so you can on talkback shortcut setting. If you click here friend, talkback will on, and double tap here, talkback will off. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Are you friends understood how to fix talkback? So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.